Hello friends, this is Sharp TV 21-inch flat. This is the complaint in regulated power supply. The power supply LED is on, but there is no set is on condition. How to recognize the sections? This is horizontal section where it is high voltage is coming. This is horizontal section. This is power supply section where we given the power supply, that is power supply section. This is regulated voltage section. This section, the regulated voltage 5 volt, 8 volt, 110 volt, this is divided here. This is MICOM section. This is microprocessor section. This section, microprocessor section. This section is all driver sections and microprocessor section. This is audio section. Where is speaker is come from? This is audio section. This is vertical section. Vertical deflection coil is given to this section. This is tuner section. Tuner section, the signal is given to this section from the air or cable connection. This is video output section. Video is given to the tube. This is video section. In this TV, mainly first we seen the all capacitors and what we are seeing in complaint, whether it is would be seen our eyes. Okay, there is no complaint I can see. Okay, the power supply is given to the power section and I put it to the power supply. Mainly we check the main capacitor voltage. That is correct. This is 110 volt section. It is also correct, and this is 110 volt coming and through the LOT section it is also a good, and these are the regulator voltages. This is audio voltage and one voltage is up and down, and the microm IC is not eating something, it is created here, and some dry solders complaints are to be done to put a wax and solder it all connections. And here is I removing uh, one capacitor where it is to be up and down voltage is I am seen in the meter. Okay, I removing this. Firstly, we check the capacitor cold test. See here, charging and discharging is good. This is okay. And another capacitor I removing. This is 110 section capacitor. See this. This capacitor is dry. One leg is the oil is coming out from the capacitor. Can we check this capacitor cold method? Okay, there is no deflection in the meter. Okay, I changing this capacitor. New one. See this. Here is no continuity. See this capacitor old capacitor is dried out, and I put the paste and soldered it. This time also it is not getting the EST voltage. The set is not oscillated. See this. There is no EST voltage. Then I checking the regulated voltage all capacitors, and I check and I removing all small capacitors in the regulated section. Then it will be the trace will be rectified. See here, this is the dry voltage, horizontal dry voltage. That is also not coming. That voltage is coming from the MICOM ICs. This is the 5 volt regulator. The 5 volt regulator is not working. The input voltage is coming, but the 5 volt output is not coming. And this regulated IC, we can't get the drive voltage in this regulated section. The drive voltage is coming from the uh, 10 voltage section. There is no voltage. Here is the regulated section. There is a 6 7 capacitors are there. That is a small MFD capacitors, that is 10 MFD, 4.7 MFD, like that. I removing all the capacitors, and also I checking this 110 volt capacitor also, main capacitor, that is good. See here, the charging and discharging is showing. And the resistance in the regulated section, that is small low ohms resistance, that is all are good. And this regulator IC 5 volt IC, blindly I checked this and removed. I put a another trans IC. That time also we can't get the EST voltage. Small dry solders are there. I soldered these all points, and we can't get the 5 volt for the microprocessor IC because of this regulator IC is not working, because of drive voltage is not coming from the MICOM section.